Hello everybody, I'm Elijah, and today I'm going to show you guys how to change a guitar string. Mostly because one of mine broke. So firstly, you're going to need some strings. I have these Martin & Co. ones here. There it is. The size of the strings vary, so just be cautious of which ones you are buying. So secondly, you're going to want something that will take the strings off. A string winder really helps, but if you don't have a string winder, you can use pliers. Or if you don't have pliers like me, you just improvise and try not to hurt yourself. Typically you're going to want to start off down here at the pegs. You'll just pop those out and these strings will just pull right on out. Again, be careful. Those are all the pegs there. Just put those in a safe place. Now we're going to start taking the strings apart from the headstock here. All you do is twist it until it loosens up and then untwist it from the metal bits there. So your strings may or may not be labeled. Just know that the thickest string is going to be the 6th string, and the thinnest string is going to be the 1st string. So now, so I'm starting with the 6th string. You can start with whatever string. I just start with the 6th one in this. Just put the string into the according hole, and then put the peg down in there, and pull the string tight. And push the peg down. And then back at the headstock, we're just going to put this into the according hole. Make sure it slips on the notch here. Make sure it's pretty good and tight. And then just turn the knob a little bit to tighten it up. Doesn't take much to tighten it, so just be careful when you're tightening it because you don't want it to snap and go off in your eye. It'd actually probably be a good idea to wear goggles for this. Alright, there it is. Now all that's left to do is snip off the bits that you don't need. Just cut them a little bit to where they're not in the way, and then throw the rest of the pieces away or make something cool out of them. Other than that, that is all for this video, so I will see you guys in the next one. Hasta luego.